I was sent this 90-piece set of quarter-inch impact driven sockets and asking my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out here. You're going to see that this comes in a nice carry case. You're going to have the sticker side facing up, and then go ahead and open up the latches on it, and then all your parts will stay on the bottom here. So there's only one part that comes to the top here, which is this major tool here. It clips in, as well as these trays that hold several different styles of bits here. So let's look at this first one here. This goes from a pH, very small, pH 0, up to pH 3. These are your Phillips heads. Then you got some Torx 27s up to 40, really big ones there, and then some slotted. And then you've got a whole series of hex, all the way here from 3/32 to a quarter, and then from 2.5 millimeters up to 6. Pretty nice set there. And then you're going to have another set over here of more Torx. This has got a PZ pointed here for a 0 up to 3, and then a Torx 8 up to 25. So all kinds of different little star bits that you can use here. So 90 pieces here. You count every piece, you're going to get 90. Now you're into your basic sockets here. So you've got a 15 millimeter down to 4, which is nice. I've even got the 4.5 and the 5.5 inch sizes, or millimeter sizes, which is very handy. So this is your standard style socket ready for an impact, and on that quarter-inch mounting point. So you're going to get some different adapters in order to mount that. This one here is a swivel, which is quite nice. It's spring-loaded. You've got a couple adapters to go from a 3/8 to the quarter-inch, and also from a 1/2 to the quarter-inch. You've got some manual handle here. You can use this to drive any of these here. Just click it in there, and you're just going to do that by hand. Very handy. You're going to get the whole myriad of SAE sizes, 5/16 up to 9/16. You've got some deep sockets here and some small sockets here. So you've got 9/16 down to 5/32 in the small, and then from 4 millimeters up to 15 millimeters up here in this top row for the small as well, for the shallow sockets. I'll show you how these things are primarily used. I use an impact wrench like one of these here. I typically will grab whatever kind of adapter here I need for the small ones here. I'll just click this in. That locks in place. Now I can choose any of these sockets to drive right here on my impact wrench. So really nice how this works. I love this these types of adapters. That this will go into my impact wrench, and then all of these will connect into this as well. So I can use a very long extension if needed. But with this core piece here, I'm connected to my impact, and I can drive all of these now, the whole set. So really cool. They're very labeled clearly on each side here, so you can see the numbers that you need. And on the tray, they're also embossed in the tray, so you can find the right spot to put it in, because some of these look very similar to each other, but that'll do it right there. So hey, I hope this helped to learn a little bit more about this 90-piece, really amazing socket set. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.